Data centers are cornerstones in enterprise digital transformations, but many changes have affected data centers with skyrocketing data growth. Generated data will more than double in size between 2022 and 2026. In addition, data centers will need to manage more diverse types of data with, for instance, the rise of intelligent video systems. In addition, data processing and data transmission will have more stringent requirements. Organizations will increasingly use more low latency and almost deterministic applications. So public cloud data centers and also private cloud data centers will manage more real-time applications and will be becoming more computing-centric. But at the same time, data centers will need to deliver more advantages to the companies with more innovations and more agility. But we know that data center infrastructure tend to be very fragmented with many different silos. But in data centers, we know that in general we have three different domains. With general purpose computing supporting employee and external user applications, then you have data storage. So data nodes are connected through storage networks, including SANs for high-performance SSDs. And in some cases, you have also HPC with very stringent low latency requirements. Let's take a concrete example for general purpose usage. Each of us will be using the underground or local transport in Barcelona. So let's take the example of a local transport company. General purpose computing will support the external website and office applications or other back office applications. Accelerated computing platforms will support automatic lines and also use cases for maintenance, for instance. And for HPC, the local company will be testing, simulating new solutions, new vehicles. And we know that all these companies use three different networking for these three different domains. In general, for general purpose computing, they use Ethernet, whilst data storage is fiber channel, and HPC is built on InfniBand. But managing three different networks is quite expensive, both in CapEx and OpEx, and it is not future-proof. And today we're seeing that many enterprises, more and more enterprises, are using all Ethernet hyper-converged networks. We forecast that Ethernet will grow at a 4.8% CAGR between 2022 and 2026, and that at the opposite, fiber channel will decline 5.9% over the next 5 years. And with an acceleration at the end of the forecast period at 8.2%. Ethernet has made significant gains with closing the gap with InfniBand and fiber channel for HPC and storage networks. Ethernet made significant progresses in latency and losslessness. And so today we can consider, and many enterprises consider, that Ethernet is a multi-purpose networking solution.
Actually, I fully agree with Bruno. As the base of the enterprise ICT infrastructure, data center network connects different types of services, such as general purpose computing, high performance computing, AI, and storage. Huawei Easy Cloud Fabric solution delivers hyper-converged Ethernet to the enterprise. In order to save the cost, the hyper-converged Ethernet could carry and fully release diversified computing power. With the digital transformation acceleration, the data volume grows explosively, and this leads the network more focused on the data processing efficiency from the service provisioning. For example, the ChatGPT is the most popular topic today, which depends on a massive data volume and super powerful computing power. So it's very obvious that there are two key requirements to network in future. The first one is the bandwidth, And second one is the converged bearing capability of the multiple computing power. To address those requirements, we launched the Cloud Engine 6800X series switches in this MWC conference, which is the first equipment dedicated for the diversified computing power in industry. It merges different types of the network to single all Ethernet network through the hyper-converged internet, which significantly reduces the cost of the customer. In addition, the switch could provide the super low latency within the 3.5 microsecond, and also the capability of the evolution to 800 gigabit bandwidth.